In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design posters with masking in Canva. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, modern poster using masking so your image or video appears inside a shape or text for a polished, professional look. First, log into Canva. If you already have it open, great. Just make sure you're on your home dashboard so you can jump right into your project without any distractions. Next, create a new poster or open an existing poster project. Either approach works. If you're starting fresh, open a blank poster so you have space to build. If you're continuing a design, open that file so we can enhance it with masking. Now, place your photo or video on the page as the background. Drag it from your uploads or library and make sure it fills the entire canvas edge to edge. You can use the corner handles to scale it up or reposition it so the most important part of the image sits where you want it to shine. For videos, scrubbing through a few frames can help you judge how the masking will feel in motion. Head to the left sidebar and click Apps. In the search bar, type Clipping Mask. This is the tool that lets us place your image or video inside shapes or text. Open it so the controls are ready on the right. Select your background image or video on the canvas, then click Start Masking. You'll see options for shapes and text-based masks. Choose a shape if you want a clean graphic cutout. Circles, rectangles, or abstract forms work well. Or choose text to create a bold title filled with your image. Short words and chunky fonts usually mask more clearly, so aim for simple, high-impact letters. Adjust the mask size and position until it frames your subject exactly how you like. Use the corner handles to scale and drag to nudge the composition. Keep an eye on alignment guides so your mask feels balanced on the page. When it looks right, click Add to Design to apply the mask. Your image or video will now sit neatly inside the shape or text, while the rest of the page stays clean and open for layout. That's it. You've added a professional masking effect in Canva in just a few steps. If your image feels too busy inside the mask, try a simpler shape, increase the size, or reposition the subject for clarity. With these adjustments, your poster will look intentional, stylish, and ready to stand out.